What's up, guys? No face cam, unfortunately. I'm having a bit of an issue. I'm trying to record. I normally use this software or something else. I don't know what it's called, but I usually use the software I downloaded to record. But it's for some reason, for no reason at all, it doesn't want to work, which is fantastic. Been annoyed at that, but you know what? We're still on with the daily recap. Let me actually get out of paper trading. Alright, so we're here, we're back. Alright, so like I was saying, yeah, some bit of issue, but let's go on. Market is open, but I'm still gonna recap what I originally thought was gonna happen. So if you look on the 4 hour, we have this 4 hour gap, this 4 hour fair value gap that was delivered to right here, and also actually no, this is the 1 hour thing, yeah. But yeah, we can see this 4 hour, and then we have another 4 hour gap that previously got delivered from, and it went into again. So I would expect, so looks like it's gonna go up, getting delivered from this 4 hour gap. But if you look into the 1 hour, you can see that it delivered from here. So I was expecting for it to come down here and give me a retracement, but it looks like it's just giving off from this 4 hour gap. If you look into the 15 minute, it was giving, I thought it was giving off this pattern. Hold on, boom. No, sorry. From Asia highs down, so I was expecting this, but looks like it's not giving it, so we're gonna have to be a bit more careful. Analysis today, it's like this bounce was delivered off of nothing. I mean, off of this fair value gap right here. But I was expecting for it to come down here, give me some liquidity, and we can target reversal to the upside right there. Would have been great. But looks like we're going up. I'm gonna go into the 1 minute real quick. We go into the 5 minute. See right here. So right here, it delivered from off of this Asia high. So I was expecting, like I said, this boom up and then boom boom. So, and I was expecting off a delivered from either here or here, and it looks like we're getting it, actually. This is perfect. So yeah, we go into the 1 minute, and that's exactly what I want to happen. I want it to go down here, give me some liquidity right here and here, and then we can target reversal. So it looks like we're doing exactly as planned. My bias is longs. I just need a bit. I just need to hit a point of liquidity so it can give me some volatility. So what I really want is a leg up and then go down here, break a structure, retracement, boom. That's A plus right there. A plus. All right. If anyone, please, I'm actually like really asking if anyone has like an app or some kind of thing, software, I guess. No, I guess an app. I'm not really a technology guy. I'm really stupid when it comes to technology. But if anyone has like an app where I can record my screen and show face cam, please give me an app recommendation. I really want it. I really want to record my face, and yeah. This just feels like boring. Like you're just listening, you're not seeing me, which I really hate. Like I want you guys to see me, and look, like we're giving off of this. We're getting some, what's it called? I forgot the name. Some port. Is it called? Is it called support? I don't know. I guess support off of this 4 hour gap right here, which is beautiful. So I'm really in love with that, actually. But for something to happen, I would need this leg up, go down, break a structure, retrace, boom, I'm entered off of here. But I still want to be careful in a day. You never know. So right now we're just waiting. Oh, you guys is so annoying. Guys, I really wish you guys can see my face. I like recording face cams. I like show my face. I don't want to be boring. I know I sound boring, but in the start of the trade, guys, you have to be unemotional. All right, you have to be you have to show no more. You have to be a robot. That's what I've built. That's how I built myself over the 3-4 years of trading. When I first started trading, I was like, let's go, I'm ready. But no, I'm just like, it's another boring day. It's another trading day. Keep it simple, keep it calm, keep it the same. Listen to my strategy, listen to my rules, and listen to the stocks. See what happens. So yeah, but after the trade or during the trade when I hit break even, after the trade or when I hit break even, that's when I'm like most hype. That's when I'm myself because it's risk free and I win my money and I'm done and I'm not gonna trade again. And I see an opportunity for another trade, I'm gonna be like no because I'm done. I'm done with my trade. I'm done being manipulated by this crazy girl. You know what I mean? But no, the stock market really is like a girl you gotta keep on handle. You know, you got girl you gotta keep control. You know what I mean? You gotta really discipline her. You gotta really phone is red candle. Phone is red candle. There we go. That's beautiful. All right. What do we need now, guys? We need a break astrologer retracement. Boom, we're up. And boom, we're up, guys. We're up. Look at that. Look at that. Probably with break even probably being right here. I like my line straight. You know, like crack cocaine. No cocaine deal. Can I say cocaine? I'm pretty sure. No. Oh, can I? Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can. No meth maxing. Right? It's meth. Meth maxer wants their line wiggly. They want it straight. All right, guys. They want it straight. They want it straight. So this is kind of good. We're getting an inverse for value gap right here. So I really hope we break structure right here. Come on, push it up, push it up, push it up. Looks like it's not gonna deliver. That's all right. That is all right. Whoa, that was a big spike down. If it delivers from here, that's honestly fine with me. That's what I'm expecting. Honestly. And you say daddy's home, home for you. And let's check on. Oh, since it's a red day, my investment count is probably gonna be down. Yep, we're down. I just had a good green day yesterday too, which is crazy. Oh, we should have seen it, guys. Oh my gosh, I think it was like around between 12 and 2. It was at its highest. My whole portfolio. Ooh, it was so amazing. I was so happy. We're still green on most of the stocks, which is good. But I just started literally less than a month ago, so of course it's gonna be in the red. And I doubled down on red days. I say if you're investing, guys, I'm gonna make that video soon. Probably on the weekend. I'm gonna start preparing for that video. Yeah, on the weekends. But if you're investing, guys, I for real think on red days, double down on every stock you gamble. I said gamble, no, on every stock you invest in. All right, double double down. All right, that's that. I believe you need to double down. Cause like, come on, man. It's for the long term. Think about it, guys. It's for the long term. The stock it's a 90 to 95% chance it's gonna go up over the long term. So like, you're just missing out on money. Like, so if you double down on the red days, you're contributing more for when that does. I guarantee you, not guarantee you, but I'm telling you with strong belief that it's gonna go up, and when it goes up, it's gonna be beautiful. Okay, let me actually calm down. I don't want to be too hype. I gotta remain to my uh, robot self. So this is a 4-hour gap. I don't think we're gonna inverse it. I think we're gonna like we. Okay, so we got hit by this 1 hour right here. Now we still have a 1 hour gap right here. Now okay, so we did it after the 1 hour. We're going into liquidity. That's how it works, guys. So let's see. So fair value gap hit, and we target liquidity. Fair value gap. Let's go up. Hit, and we target liquidity. That's how it works, guys. And the complete, and it's the same for the complete opposite. Oh, it was about to hit, but no, I don't know. So right here, for value gap, hit liquidity, right here. For value gap, hit liquidity, right here. I'm pretty sure it's IRL and ERL. I learned a lot of my stuff from TGR and PB Blake, and PB Trading, PB Blake. They're really good traders. Wow, look at that. I'm just hoping that's green guys. But see what I say? Fair value gap, deliver, and then goes to liquidity, and liquidity gets hit, and we bounce off of liquidity because like there's a lot of people, there's a lot of institutional banks buying at that point. It just makes sense, guys. I've taught this. Look at my video of liquidity. But this is looking beautiful. This is looking good. 4-3. Ah, come on, come on, come on. Don't. Come on, just break a structure. Come on. Ah. Why does he keep doing that? Look at twice now. Come on, man. This is the candle. This is it. Nice, 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 nice. I just want a retracement now. Whoa, that's going a bit too up. Even so, this is a good break structure too. Whoa. What did I say, guys? Liquidity bounce. Come on. Now, I just want a retracement. I really, really, really want a retracement. Please. This is awesome. I love it. Love it. Yes, NASDAQ. NASDAQ has been giving good price action lately. Oh my gosh. We need to check if we have an SMT. How could I have forgotten? So, low key, we have relatively equal highs. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay. Also, we didn't hit that. Okay. Going to the 15. I don't really see any, whoa. Whoa. Okay. This is, it still broke structure. This is actually good. So it hit my, if it goes below the, well, this is big. Whoa. Whoa. So if you entered off of just this inverse, you would have got cooked. How many points is this? Guys, you're going to have to be, this is 60 points. Guys, you're really going to have to be careful. Oh my gosh. I mean, if we go back up, this is break even right here. $206, $194. Because I'm putting in the factor of commissions. So right here, like 10 points above, or about right here. If it goes to 10 points above, I enter. If it goes like, if it skyrockets above 10 points right here, I'm entering, but I usually wait for a candle formed. Look at that. Look at the last. Whoa. I'm pretty sure I saw on TikTok we have war going on, so a lot of volatility. Break even's right here. Once it hits right here, I feel like we can just boom up. Asia highs will be a bit difficult. We have a bearish SMT. Look at this. Yeah. We have a bearish SMT off of these highs. Yeah, we have a bearish SMT. That's not necessarily the best. My bias is long. Alright, so if I'm not getting any long confirmations, then I'm essentially not gonna trade. You know, it's gonna be a no trade day. Which is fine. Like I said this before, guys. A no trade day is better than a trade day. I will say that over and over and over again. This is 100% true. So, let's look at this. This gave off 45 points back. It's good. I'm just waiting. We just wait, guys. Okay, so low, higher, low. Low, higher, low, higher, low. Low, higher, low. Okay, yeah. We just have this SMT right here. High, high, higher, high. Why is it like this? Make it straight. Memang straight beta nih. Yeah, we have this SMT, so we could be going lower, honestly. Look at the 1 hour, actually. Any SMTs right there. Yeah, we have a bearish SMT right here. Look at that. So 1 hour. Yeah, low, higher low. And for the ES, low, lower low. Look at that. Yeah, this is about the same as good. Let's go back. How did I get a message? Oh. It should be on DND though. Look at this, guys. Looks like we should be getting ready to enter the trade. Want to be very, very careful. I honestly, my opinion right now, what I want to happen is for it to not go up here. Honestly, I don't want it to. I don't want to take the trade. I don't want to take the trade. Is it following my rules? Yes. Break of structure, retracement, go up above here, perfect. Break even. Let's put this as break even. Break even. Boom. Perfect. But do I want that to happen? No, because I'm risking losing, and I don't feel like we have this point where we're delivering off of liquidity. Delivering, is that the word I was forgetting? Delivering off of liquidity, but you see, all of this is kind of insane. All right, so if we go back up here, we might see another move. We just boom right down, like, and that's not gonna make me happy at all. So would I take the trade? What I want? Do I want to take the trade? No, I'm really hoping Nasdaq just falls down. Because for order to me to take shorts, my bias have to be bearish, and I have to see a uptrend, break of structure, retracement, and then down. Looks like we're getting off of my bias, delivering off of this 4 hour. Is this a 4 hour or no 1 hour? I mean, it's both actually. Yeah, there's a gap right here. This is a 4 hour too, and there's gaps on the 1 hour too. Right here. Look at that. Ooh, I really hope we can break right here. Alright, looks like I'm gonna be ready to enter trade. 57 seconds. Alright, I'm in the trade, guys. Right here. So stop. Let's put my thing real quick. I'm just putting that in because it goes down. 206, 184. Break even is gonna be right here. Limit. Sell limit. All right, we're in the trade. Come on, hit my break even. That would be so beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, come on, man. Alright, we're in the trade, guys. We're in the trade. There we go. Look at that. Boom, yeah. Nice. Go up. Come on, hit my break even. Hit my break even. I want you to hit my... Oh, that's good. That's nice. Ooh, beautiful. Alright. To be honest, I'm not the most comfortable. Oh, shit, bro. Already? Calm down. Oh, shit, yo.
Stop filled.
I know that was a tight break even. I know that was a tight. Let me look in the 5 minute. Could have honestly been right here. Oh, I hate when it does this. Let's look what happens. So it looks like another break even. I know there's a tight thingy. Did I put 5 minutes? 5 minutes. Oh, I put 5 months. Break even could have honestly been right here. Go to 1 minute. Honestly, this might be golden. Damn, guys, look at that. Oh, that's crazy. Why did it have to give me that red candle? Guys, yeah, it's I mean, honestly, I think I hate when I'm having too much of a tight stop loss. Yeah. This is a learning opportunity. This is learning. This is learning. This is learning, guys. This is learning. Because I always have tight stop losses. I mean, not always. But the times where I notice where I have a tight stop loss. I mean break even, break even. The times I notice when I have a tight break even, it immediately hits break even. It makes sense because it's a tight break even. I'm not giving it room to breathe. So this break even point would have been honestly better and looked going up higher. Yeah, and might haven't hit my full TP. And I was really thinking of getting in with just one micro, but I didn't want to I really want to listen to my rules of just one trade a day. Honestly, I'm getting that feeling of FOMO, and that's perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine. But I'm not gonna react to that FOMO. Wow, look at that. That is crazy. But if I put it 50, watch it hit. Right there, see? It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit full TP. Watch. Probably on this candle. That is bro, are you serious? What's going on? It just this candle. Look at this. This is I don't like seeing that. I do not like seeing that. I hate whenever this happens. Whoa, whoa! I would have been tight. I would have been so pissed off. But there's a fair value gap right here. It's probably not. So it's probably delivering off of that. Um, Look on. Yes, yeah. So we hit age of highs. I mean age of lows. These are age of lows. Is it bottling off of age of lows? Where did I enter? Oh, right there. Like around here. Honestly, if anything, I should have lowered my stop loss to right here, or maybe here, or maybe here. No, because this is the candle hit break even. Alright, watch it go back up. I'm about to end the video right here soon, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Guys, keep in mind, this is where I put my thing. So if it hits this point right here, if it hits here, I would have got cooked because I would have put 206. No way. No way. Oh! Okay, guys. The thing about me, I don't move no matter how close it is, I don't exit out the trade early. I let it hit or it doesn't hit. It either hits or doesn't hit. Now, if I had put my break even right here, I would have not let this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. What did I say, guys? What did I say? Now, yes, it like I don't. Okay, this is how I trade. Either it hits full TP or it doesn't. If this would have been break even, it would have still hit me on break even, cause this would have never gone hit. This would have never gone hit. And look at that. Goes all the way down. And what did I say? I know the markets. I can read them like cake. I can read them like the back of my hand. I've been in the game for 3-4 years. I can read these markets. Oh my gosh. The satisfaction of when you're right is beautiful. It goes down. I see all of this. Boom. I didn't even put my volume in. That's actually very dangerous. I don't know why I didn't do that. Point of control looks like it's going back to the point of control. But there's a lot of volume right here. And look, look at that. A lot of red volume. A lot of selling. A lot of selling. So could I really want to I really want to re-enter off of here. I'm not going to lie. I am not going to lie. I just didn't like this market right now. This was good. This right here, exactly the reaction I wanted. This right here, nah. And look like it's going back up actually. Oh my gosh. I said I really wanted to re-enter right here. But this is a dangerous game. You know, I probably off of this order block re-enter stop loss below the order block. That'll probably be good. You gotta fair value gap better be inverse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Heck it, let's enter. Off an imaginary trade, guys. Off an imaginary trade. Let's just see what happens. Then I'll end the video quick. It's probably gonna hit full TP on this 100. I guarantee you it's gonna hit full TP on this trade right here. But like I was saying, this right here I did not like. And you know what else I didn't like? All these red candles. These red candles I did not like. These red candles I do not like. If it was green, red, green, that would have been good. That's a good sign of a lot of buying. Good sign. Beautiful sign. Love it. We still have a bullish SMT. Yeah, we still have a bullish SMT. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I really want to enter. But, no, guys, I really want to enter. I'm telling you, I really want to enter because I feel like I know this trade is going to hit. But if you know the trade is going to hit, why don't you just enter? Because I'm following my rules. I'm following what I know. I've shown by myself that this strategy is profitable. The way I trade is profitable, all right? With a 60% win rate without break-evens and a 60 and 70% win rate with break-evens. Now, I'm fine with break-evens. Break-evens I like. That was my thingy. This is good. Look, see, I told you. I told you. I'm just going to follow my rules, all right? We're going to come in Friday very, very cautious. Thursdays are usually, I forgot to say this, Thursdays are usually my best days. Full TP right there. Oh, that pains me a little. It's fine. It's whatever. Thursdays are usually my best days, of Friday being decent to good days. So we're just going to go into Friday, see what happens, and yeah. But that's it for today's video, guys. It's also Lent season, I think it's Lent season, right? Yeah, Lent season, or happy Ramadan for Muslims, but for Christians, happy Lent season. Hope your Lenting goes amazingly. But that's it for today. It looks like it's a break even, so I'm fine with that. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.